How's it, Aloha gang? You know, gardening is one of those fantastic things you can do with the entire ohana. Today on High Now Daily, we're over here at City Mill learning about all the tips and tricks when it comes to that garden you want to plant at home. This is Sandra. This is Aiden over here. Sandra, I want to start with you. Let's talk about gardening tips and essentials. Sometimes people don't know where to start. Where should they?
Yeah, so I mean, City Mill has everything you need to get started. So we're gonna have some potting soil that we're gonna use to put into the seed trays here, and Aiden's gonna help demonstrate how to plant the watermelon seeds today.
What's one of the unique things, especially when it comes to gardening, because it teaches the Keiki a lot of really good techniques like responsibility and patience for two.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, I think being responsible for caring for the plant over the course of the life of the plant really helps to teach them some responsibility and give them a bit of appreciation for the work and the time that goes into growing the food that's on your plate every day.
It's definitely very important. Aiden, I can tell you and me, we like to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah? So when it comes to eating, it's nice to know that we plant things, we grow them, and then we can grind. What do you like about gardening?
That sometimes when I grow a plant, I can eat it.
What are your favorite things to plant and eat?
Like watermelon and honeydew melon.
What, all the melons?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, we're going to do a demo right now. Can you walk us through what's going to happen, Sandra?
So we're starting with using the new nursery potting soil. So he's just going to take some scoops of soil, and then he can put it into the seed tray.
How long have you been gardening, Aiden?
About 2 years.
2 years? All right, go ahead.
Yeah, so you can actually use different types of potting soil. Some people like to add in perlite. It helps with like drainage and aeration of the soil. Some people also mix in coconut coir or things like that kind of helps with the structure. But right now, I think with this potting soil, we're just kind of keeping it simple, just going with a straight potting soil mix.
Aiden, how you doing? You having fun?
Yeah.
He's doing a really great job, actually, of just kind of gently patting the soil in. You don't want to press it too hard, and compact it too much will make it difficult for the seeds to grow. So yeah, he's doing a great job of just sort of gently tapping it in.
Sandra, what else do we have over here on the table?
Yeah, so we also have this kit if you know, starting to garden with your family. It's a 5-piece kids tool set. Comes with like an apron, some of the common hand tools that you can use while gardening. We also have some of these like adult-sized versions of trowels and things that you can use. A weeder here as well. Gloves if you like, although, you know, I think it's fun for the kids to just...
The kids you like to get your hands dirty.
Yes.
Gloves? No need. Sandra, what about the seeds?
Yeah, so these seeds are from Pakuta Seed Store. This is a local product that I think it's great. She selects seeds that grow well in Hawaii, so it's a great way. City Mill carries a whole variety of seeds here at the store. And so today, actually, Aiden's planting a watermelon sugar baby variety.
So, Sandra, he's going to plant this today. How long before we start to see growth, and how long is the whole process take?
I mean, so it kind of depends on what you're planting. Every plant is a bit different as far as the number of days it takes until you can actually harvest it. But usually what he's doing is starting it in the seed tray, and we'll keep it in like a more of a protected kind of like a nursery area for about 2 to 4 weeks. And then once that's ready, then you can plant it into the ground. And then from there, it just depends on the maturity of the different crop. So once you have actually the soil filled to the top of the seed tray, you can actually poke a hole using your finger or even just like the back of a chopstick or something. And so the depth of the hole sort of depends on what you're planting. Because of the size of the seed, which usually you want to plant about 2 to 3 times the diameter of the seed. So for this one, maybe about like a 1/2 inch deep.
All right, now, in addition to what's taking place over here, there's a very special garden that is coming to Hawaii Kai Towne Center. Sandra, what's taking place with that?
Yeah, so we're going to be starting a community garden at the Hawaii Kai Towne Center in partnership with City Mill. And so we're going to be using that as like a living classroom to kind of help show people how to grow food at home. And so we have an upcoming seeding event actually on August 9th. It'll be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We're going to be live demoing how to plant seeds, have different games and educational booths about seeds and just how to grow them.
Now, Aiden is just finishing up the last couple of seeds. What happens next, Sandra?
Yeah, so after you finish planting the seeds in the seed tray, we do want to give them a good watering, so it helps with the germination process. So he does have that water spray bottle there, and it's good to kind of use more of a light mist, or if you even have a hose that has like a misting setting, like that would be best to kind of help make sure that the seeds get the proper watering, but it doesn't disturb them in the soil.
Aiden, you did a great job, man, first of all. You excited to see the watermelon?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to come back and grab you. Once they're ready to go, then we can eat it. Deal?
Yep.
All right, Sandra, let's go back to you. Now, people oftentimes when they think about gardening might feel, oh man, it's kind of overwhelming. I don't know where to start. What do you recommend for people to do?
I mean, there's a lot of great ways you can learn to do things as a family, but one really easy way is just come down to your local City Mill store, and there's a lot of great people here that can help give you tips and recommendations to start off your garden at home.
There you go. Get your Keiki involved. It's fun for the entire ohana. And for more tips on essentials and what you need, check out City Mill.